In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Easy Apply feature on LinkedIn. This handy tool makes it simple to submit job applications with just a few clicks. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting out, this feature can be a real time saver. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Once there, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. You can choose to sign in with your Google or Microsoft account for a quick access. Alternatively, you might prefer using your email address and password. It's all about what works best and most conveniently for you. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep your phone handy because LinkedIn might send a code to your phone number to verify your identity. This extra step adds an important layer of security to your account. Once you're logged in and on your LinkedIn homepage, take a look at the top of the page. There you'll find the jobs icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the job search area of LinkedIn, the place where all the action happens when you're on the lookout for your next opportunity. When you're in the jobs section, you'll want to head straight for the search bar at the top. Use this feature to find jobs that match your profile. You can search by keywords, such as the job title you're interested in, specific skills you possess, or even by the name of a company you aspire to work for. Once you've entered your search criteria and clicked on the job you're interested in, you'll get all the juicy details about the position. Carefully read through the job description to make sure it's a good fit for your skills and career goals. Now here's where the magic of Easy Apply comes in. At the top of the job listing, you'll find the Easy Apply button. Give that a click. A series of pop-up screens will appear, prompting you to enter the required information. This will usually include your contact details and possibly your resume if it's not already saved in your LinkedIn profile. After you've entered all the required information, it's time to review everything. Click the review button to ensure all your details are correct and that your application reflects your best professional self. Double check for any typos or missing information. Once you're satisfied with what you see, it's time for the final step. Click the submit application button, and just like that, you've used LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature to send off your application. It's a quick, efficient way to connect with potential employers and move one step closer to landing that dream job. Good luck and happy job hunting.